What's up everybody, Robin Phillips here and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a Q4 market update. We're talking supply, demand, and interest rates, so stick around. All right, so where are we right now? So as of today, we have 3,145 homes on the market. In a neutral market, we would have about 7,500. So we are still in a very strong seller's market here in Charleston. In fact, if you look at the months of inventory chart, you'll see that in Mount Pleasant North, we only have 1.5 months of inventory and just a little bit more at 1.7 months in Mount Pleasant South. That means only 45 days of inventory of homes on the market. So you're like, I get it, Robin, not many homes on the market, supply is down, but what about demand? Are buyers buying? Well, the answer is, of course they are, yet the entire Charleston market, if you look at it as a whole, we are down 20% in the number of homes being sold. And if you look at specific markets like Mount Pleasant North, it's down around 17% in volume. Mount Pleasant South down almost 30% in volume. So, supply is down, number of homes on the market is low. Demand is down by 20% in the entire Charleston market. So, what's happening with prices? All right, you ready for the shocker? Prices are up. If you look at the total Charleston market rolling 12 months, we're up 3.1%. And if you once again look at just the Mount Pleasant market, Mount Pleasant North prices are up 10% over last year. Mount Pleasant South up 5.7%. We have a median sales price in Mount Pleasant of over $770,000 for a home. Okay, so what's happening with interest rates? We were told by just about everybody I am reading that interest rates were going to start falling. By now, it should have already happened. But what actually happened? Interest rates went up. So if you look at this graph, the dotted line is what the prediction was. The solid line is what the new prediction is. And it looks like we are going to have higher interest rates for the next couple of quarters. And I think that is utterly realistic based on what the Fed is saying and based on where inflation is right now. All right, so what's the bottom line? I think Chen Zhao from Redfin said it really, really well in this quote. He says, home prices will stay high amid tight housing inventory. And I quote, in a home buyer's ideal world, rising mortgage rates would push demand and home prices down enough to make up for the high interest rate payments. But that's not what's happening now. Although new listings are ticking up slightly, inventory is still near record lows as homeowners hang on to their low mortgage rates. And that's propping up prices. So if you're a buyer, what do you need to know? Despite increasing interest rates, prices here in Charleston have not gone down, and they're predicted to continue to go up in the spring 2024 market. So patiently waiting for interest rates to go down before you buy your home may not pay off because you may be paying a much higher price by the time interest rates come down. Okay, and if you're a seller, what do you need to know? So the elephant in the room is the new construction builder. They are continuing to build. They cannot stop building. The permits are in, they're gonna rock and roll. So what are they doing? They're offering lower interest rate financing through their preferred lender, or they're offering these massive incentives, $20,000, $30,000 to help the buyers buy down their interest rate. So you need to contact your agent and talk about creative strategies to get your home sold up against the new construction competition. So I hope this helped. Getting sellers off the fence to sell their home and getting buyers into homes has been a challenge in this year's current market. But as always, if you would like to discuss how to grow your real estate business with a no-split partnership, reach out. You know where I am, and I'll see you on my next video.